You are likely only using about 20% of what Windows 11 can actually do. Most people are working harder, not smarter, simply because they don't know where the best tools are hidden. What if I've told you that a few clips could double your productivity and save your laptop battery? Hello everyone, welcome to TechFlow with Ken. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tips. For returning viewers, please like, comment and share this video as I'm about to unveil a real game changer. Your support means the world to me. What if I've told you that a few clips could double your productivity and save your laptop battery? Today, I'm showing you the hidden side of Windows 11 that most users completely overlook. Windows 11 has been out for a while, and while the new look is great, the real magic is buried under the surface. I've spent months digging through menus and updates, and honestly, I was surprised by what I found. I've seen so many people struggle with clutter or slow workflows, when the solution was already sitting right there in the taskbar. In this video, we are moving past the basics to unlocking the full power of your PC. Let's dive into the top 10 features that will change how you use your computer. First up, we have Focus Assist. This is the secret weapon for deep work. It silences the noise so you can actually get things done. Then there's the improved snap layout. We all know them, but the refined versions in Windows 11 will make organizing a chaotic screen view effortless. You might not know that Windows 11 has a built-in screen recorder, making it easy to create tutorials or share your screen without any third-party software. Another feature worth mentioning is the enhanced dashed keyboard, which now has deep customization options. The Photos app has also gotten a major upgrade with features like automatic editing and a much more intrusive interface. I also want to mention the improved performance and battery life tweaks that make Windows 11 a great choice for laptops. Then there is dynamic refresh rate, which helps conserve battery life while still providing a smooth visual experience. But what if I had to pick one feature that really stands out as a game changer is virtual desktops. This allows you to create multiple desktops, each with its own set of apps. It's a total lifesaver for anyone who needs to multitask or switch between projects. You can keep your work and personal life completely separate and switch between them. I use this all the time and it has saved me hours of frustration. Whether you're a student or a professional, virtual desktops are a must try. In summary, these top 10 features have the potential to transform your Windows 11 experience by taking the effective, efficient, and enjoyable way to use your. If you found even one tool today existed, hit that like button so I know this helped you out. I want to hear from you. Which of these are you going to turn on right now? Drop a comment below, and if you're ready to become a true power user, make sure to subscribe and check the next video. Until next time, keep the tech flowing.